Hello, and welcome to this presentation regarding IGCSE Geography. I hope that you find this informative, and if you have any questions, please do check the frequently asked questions sheet or ask your geography teacher if you're a student based at JC. So the first thing to consider, is geography the right subject for me in year 10 and year 11? It's a very difficult question to answer. But what I'd like you to think about is, what do you enjoy about the study of geography? Are you excited about studying geography at a higher level and learning about the world in which we live, the challenges and the opportunities that will arise in our future? These are some of the reasons why we think you should consider studying geography. Geography is a very broad-based academic subject. So what that means is it's going to open up lots of options for you in your future. It also will have cross-curricular links with the other subjects that you're studying, such as maths and science. Employers and universities see geography as a robust academic subject. They see that geography students have been equipped in a wide range of skills, knowledge, and understanding. So, knowing about the world in which we live, thinking about the use of maps, and looking at the challenges as well. It is a subject that links to the arts and the sciences, and it's very flexible in terms of what you can combine it with both at GCSE and at A level. So, to think about this a bit more deeply, I would recommend that you consider these questions. Are you a student that wants to learn more about the world in which you live? Are you a student that enjoys using ICT and undertaking research? Are you a student that would enjoy working away from the classroom, so working outside or undertaking primary data collection in a different part of the UAE or overseas? Do you enjoy working in a team with other students? Geography students will often need to work in pairs and groups and collaborate with one another. Is this something that is of interest to you? Do you also like to learn through investigating and doing, not just reading and listening? So these are some pictures from our IGCSE field trip. So we have an optional field trip, which is a residential trip, where we take students, typically 50 students, to Iceland, where we can learn about coastal and tectonic hazards and environments. So something that you may find fascinating if you join on to the GCSE course in year 10 and year 11. Another reason we believe geography is an excellent subject to study is it is defined as a facilitating subject. So, what this means at A level is that these subjects are recognised by the top 20 leading universities in the UK as subjects which they prefer students to have studied at A level. You can see the facilitating subjects include biology, chemistry, physics, maths, further maths, modern and classic foreign languages, history, geography, and English literature. So, if you're thinking about where geography could take you in the future, if you continued your studies from GCSE to A level, I hope that you can see that it's an excellent subject choice. In terms of thinking more in the short term, geography is historically the most popular option subject. So in our year 10 cohort, we actually have 79 students who are studying the course, and they are split into 4 classes. So, a bit about the course. How exactly is it assessed, and what exam board do we study? So at JC, we study EdXL International, and this is the 9-to-1 qualification. So this will align with your other subject areas, the majority of which also run on the 9-to-1 qualification. So for geography, there are 2 assessments which are at the end of year 11. There are no external assessments in year 10. You will have topic tests as we complete each of our topic areas. So in Year 11, you will sit one exam, which is on physical geography, and this exam is 1 hour and 10 minutes long and will be worth 40% of your GCSE qualification. You also, in Year 11, will sit the human geography examination. This is 1 hour 45 minutes and this is 105 marks. So as this has got more marks, it has a higher weighting of 60%. It's also important to know that you will be required to attend a compulsory field trip here in the UAE. This is likely to be in Year 11, where you will be conducting some primary data collection, some field work, and that field work will be around a physical geography and a human geography theme. Although there isn't a coursework investigation, there isn't a controlled assessment that has been removed, in the physical geography exam and in the human geography exam, there are questions that link to that fieldwork that you have undertaken. So the fieldwork that you do will link to around 23% of your overall GCSE grade. So it's a really great way to talk about our experience and to put that into an exam context and secure highly. In terms of grades and achievements, last year we were studying the Cambridge IGCSE course. This course was graded using the old system, so A star through to G. At JC last year, 77.4% of students achieved an A star or an A grade. 97.8 achieved an A star to a B, and 100% achieved an A star to C equivalently. So please be rest assured that you will be in good hands if you continue to study geography at a higher level. You may be wondering, so what exactly comes under physical and human geography? These are the options that we have selected and you will be studying. We study one option per term. That way, we have time for revision at the end of the course. So, typically in the Year 10 course, we start with our physical geography, learning about coastal environments and hazardous environments. This would be in Term 1 and Term 2. Then, in the latter part of Year 10 and in Year 11, we focus on the human geography. And that's when you would learn about economic activity and energy, urban environments, and fragile environments and climate change. So I hope that this presentation has helped to answer any of the questions that you may have. If you have any further questions, please do check out the frequently asked questions handout and be sure to ask your geography teacher.